Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I single crochet my hair to make it look like a tapered color. My hair has already been shampooed and it's moisturized. So what I used is Cane 2 Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Cream. I used Dask, coconut oil and tard oil. I use rubber bands. I use olive oil edge control. Comb your hair, and box braid, features box braid. It's 20 inches. I also used a black features box braid. So together I use like 1.5 packs. So the first thing I did was comb my hair out, and I just section where I want to start my crochet braid on both sides. So what I did, I sectioned a small amount of hair, and just I added the edge control olive oil just so I'd be able to pick up the little hair. And then I just use a rubber band to tie it. So if you don't know how to do single braid, so this is a good method to use, especially if you don't know how to braid tight. And then I just single braid the rest. My hair is pretty short, so I try my best to do the single braid, and the edge control really help to put it together. So I took my crochet braid, and sorry, I forgot to mention the crochet hook. You also need that. So just put the crochet hook through your braid and put your crochet single braid onto the hook, and you close it, pull it through your hair like that. And then you take the end of the single crochet braid, you put it through the hole. You can use your crochet hook too, it's easier if you use your crochet hook. And then you pull it, as you can see that I'm doing here. So once that's done, then you take your crochet hook, you push it through the braids, and then you take your hair, you put it on the crochet hook, and you use that crochet hook to pull your hair through the braid. My hair is short, like I said before, so it was a little bit difficult for me to do. And this is my first time doing the single crochet braid on my own head, on myself. There. So there you go, that's one. So I decided to do another one to show you. Cut another section of my hair. Basically did the same thing, so just add my lever edge control. Get my rubber band, you need to tie it. Braid the ends of your hair. If your hair is longer, it's easier to braid, and it's also easier to pull through the single crochet braid. So you take the hook, you put it through your hair, take the crochet braid, put it on the hook, close it up, put it through your hair. Just be careful because sometimes it can get stuck and it can be difficult to come off. So just be careful so you don't yank your hair. Just take your time. I actually find that the more I do it, the better I get. So it was easier. The more I do it, the more I got better. So the same thing like the first one, you pull your hair through the crochet braid. And yeah. Yep, so I just said to do a third one, just to make sure that you understand what I'm trying to do. I hope that you can see what I'm doing and understand what I'm doing. So the same thing. When you're using your rubber band, don't make it too tight, because if it's too tight and you're trying to put your crochet hook through your hair, it's gonna be like a little bit difficult. So don't make it too tight, and then plus you don't want to break your hair either. So yeah. Yep, so same thing, same method, just keep going. Keep pulling hair through the crochet braid, and there you go. I'm just gonna go and do the rest. So there you go. So I did the top part of my head, just the top section, my crown area. What I did was I prepared the rest of my hair, so it was easier for me to just go in and put the crochet braid through. So I just section the rest of my crown with my rubber band. I just did just my crown, and all I did was, after I did, all I did was just go in and just install the crochet braid. So it was a little bit faster for me that way. So I just left two more to show you how I install my single crochet braid. Yeah. Just have one more to show you. And don't forget, if your hair is dry, always add water. If you need more product, just put it in there so that your hair can be soft, not dry. So that yeah, you don't break your hair. So like I said before, the more you do it, the better. So here it is. Here's the look. Finish the top crown. That's the back. So this is the next day. Just getting ready for church. I use my gel. I use my Ken2 shea butter. So what I did here was I just did it's like wash and go style. So I have a video up right now, so you can go and watch it. I did my wash and go, so I basically use the same method for it. So that's how I style the rest of my hair. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a comment, like, and also if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Bye for now.